Hi everyone, Mike Simmons here, and today we're going to talk about Chromebook billing. This is kind of a new scenario now that we've got Chromebooks being checked in and checked out by students. And what will happen is, let's say a Chromebook is broken, they're going to take it back to check it in and then swap it out. So once they check in that broken Chromebook, that's where you, the site technician, come in to go ahead and handle that ticket. And we've got someone who's hired on who's working Chromebook billing, and that's all they're doing. They're just doing the billing portion of it. So let me show you what we did to go ahead and set that up for billing. So I've got a ticket here as an example, and so it says the screen's damaged and it says it's in progress. So the first thing I want to look at is I'm going to scroll down to the Chromebook that's attached to the ticket, and I can see the student's name, and I've got the Chromebook serial. Now if you click into the Chromebook itself, you can also look at the timeline. And the timeline shows that the student was just assigned the Chromebook recently by me. And so as far as, how much do we bill, do they have insurance, all of that, thankfully for the site technician, that is out of your hands. Don't even worry about it. Just do the repairs and just escalate it to the right place. So seeing as the Chromebook is already assigned to a student, that does mean that we will escalate this up to billing. So how do you do that? Well, when you repair a Chromebook, you're going to put your comments and saying, okay, I replaced the LCD screen. That was damaged. Okay, and we're going to hit add comment, and then you can also add the part. That's important. We're going to add the part to the ticket. So I'm going to look up LCD. We've got the Acer Chromebook broken, and I've got one part available right there at Vickery Middle, and so we're going to go ahead and add the part to the ticket. So that part you already know. That's just like you normally do, right? Now the next thing you want to do is we've got these, see right here next to action. Normally you do action if you want to escalate a ticket, right? You get different actions you can do. Well, this will be new. This is called a shortcut. So we're going to add a shortcut. So let's go ahead and pull up the shortcut. And what you're looking for is it says escalate to TSV Billing and Payment Team. Now, the reason we made it a shortcut is look at all of these action items. It's going to unassign the ticket from any current teams. It's going to unassign the ticket from you, the agent, and it's going to remove all followers. After that, it assigns it to the team of TSV Billing and Payment Team. And then after that, it's going to set the status of ignore required steps. And the billing department, the billing team, they're going to do everything from there. Now, if you don't put a lot of notes, they may have to come back to you to find out exactly what happened or how it got broken. So it's important as you're repairing the Chromebook to be as detailed and specific as possible. For instance, if a Chromebook screen was broken, but it was not broken by the student, or there was some kind of accident that happened, it was not intentional, you might want to just put that. This was not an intentional break. And work with your ETC, work with the teacher, work with the media specialist, just to find out exactly what happened. And as you document exactly what happened, as you put those in the notes and the more detailed you are, the easier will be for the billing team as they're looking at things like insurance and billing and school pay and all of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to show that to you. So once I apply the action to the ticket, it will do those 5 steps right there. And so I'm not going to do that. In fact, I'm going to take off all these notes because this is only a tutorial video. And I just wanted to show you that shortcuts feature. It's really important to use that whenever it comes time for billing. And again, you can look at the history, the timeline by clicking on the asset, and then see what kind of status the Chromebook is set to. Thank you so much for your time and watching, and I hope you have a great day.